She liked it because she's still eating it.
Yeah.
My name is Yolanda.
And I'm Desiree.
I was born and raised here, like I said, Mexican-American. Well, see, I grew up with a very close-knit family. Every weekend we would get together, and the moms were always cooking. Pozole is like Mexican comfort food. It's a soup with pork. Some people put chicken in it, and it's got the hominy, which is a big horn. You can customize it the way you like it. Some people don't put lime in it. Some people put a lot of lime in it. We eat it with tostadas, with cabbage, onions, radishes, and broken chile de árbol. All the garnishes are not garnishes, they're actually part of the pozole.
I like spicy. I used to not like spicy, but she would like carry around like some spicy sauce with her everywhere.
I carry a little jar of chile habanero.
Yeah. I started to like really like spicy. Now I love spicy.
Well, because I ask them for something spicy and they come up with Tabasco. Tabasco's good for certain things, but not for a lot of Mexican food. Wow,
Oh, it looks like tomato soup.
it does. It kind of smells like pozole.
It kind of smells like it would be a little spicy.
The broth itself is actually rather thick. It's not as clear as I'm used to. And I'm used to eating red pozole, which is what this is. Actually, it's really tasty. Yeah.
Yeah, it has like a little spice to it. I feel like I don't really taste the difference. The meat, I feel like it tastes just like soft meat.
Maybe if I had more, if the meat was chunkier or bigger pieces.
Yeah.
I think I'm used to having pozole with, like maybe this size
Yeah.
chunks of meat. Yeah.
Oh yeah, these are small.
The soup itself has very good flavoring.
Yeah, it
it's
does.
seasoned correctly. I think if we had all the fixings, like cabbage and onions, and some people even put crushed oregano in their pozole. Yeah, I think that would make it taste even better, but just by itself like this, it's very tasty.
If somebody put this in front of you, would you know that this is vegan?
I wouldn't know it was vegan. I would just say, hey, how come you didn't put any more meat in there? More tofu, more whatever it is.
More tempeh.
More tempeh, okay.
I would recommend this. I have a lot of friends that are vegan, and they always, every time we go out, they always get like vegan food instead. So I would definitely recommend all of this.
I liked it. I don't know too many vegan people, but if I was to go vegan, this would be something I would definitely order with more meat and with all the fixings on the side. Definitely. She liked it because she's still eating it.
Yeah.